the camera down there. Whoa! Okay. What else? Okay, let's play Boys Basics. Character copy. B plus. Okay, one thing is, there's the rust lady at the door from Victor's Advanced Education. Well, some. Okay. Okay, what the heck is that thing? What the heck is that thing? That's terrifying. 3 body game. Is that Black Light Body? What'd they do? They just want to kill you. Maybe they're phantoms? Or something? I don't know. Like, that is just terrifying. Oh, oh, I saw the test! Mr. Mix? Oh, there's this guy again. Oh my god, there's the test. I can also see black. I actually see a color of their car. He's red and blue. He's black like I meant he's actually more body. He's the creepiest thing out of all the characters. Boys Basics. I got a door key. Literally, I got a door key. That leads into the Rust Navy Ring from Victor's Advanced Education. We're getting ready to unlock it, but not really, because we're not going to get attacked by Freak Adika. He's a demon cyborg. He's one funky guy. Whoa. Darn it! Go. Why? Don't know! Why? Okay. Whoa! You gotta kid me. I wanna escape out the store place! I wanna kill you! Oh yes you won't! Hey! Stop! Why? Come on, why? Ah! Go away, phantoms! Nobody likes you! Hey! Stop it! Stop! You won't get me! Haha! You won't get me, Baldy! What the? Oh no! Oh no! I'm dead! I am so dead. I am so dead. They're terrifying. The principal doesn't even care. Nobody cares. Unlock the door key! Holy crap! Ah! 50 seconds? I never heard that before. He's a child! Don't you believe this guy? Oh my god! What the fart? What? Oh my god, you have been killed by Funky. Okay. And I was sent to the hospital. Wee woo. Okay. That's it. That's it for this freaking